Yo, what's up? Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Very windy Tuesday morning here in Las Vegas, the city of sin. Samahan niyo ako today. We're gonna drop off the Multistrada sa dealership para finally magawa na yung ano bang kailangan gawin, yung fork seals, kasi naglilik yung isang side ng ating shocks. So tumawag yung dealership last week Thursday. Hindi lang natin makakunan ng time kung kailan pwedeng i-drop off kasi busy nga kami sa work. It had to wait until today, sa day off natin. Susunduin na lang tayo ni Mrs. mamaya, siguro mga 1 hour after. Dadaan siya dun sa Ducati para pick upin ako kasi I don't know how long this bike will stay sa dealership. I would think towards the end of the week or maybe hanggang sa susunod na day off ko na. We don't know, but hopefully not longer than 1 week. Binibigyan ko na yung sarili ko ng 1 week para hindi ako mainip. 64 degrees this morning. Medyo nagantay na ako ng mga 1 hour kasi dapat kanina ko pa siya i-drop off. Pero pinainit ko muna yung araw dahil malamig. Balot na balot nga tayo. Naka-hoodie tayo sa loob ng leather jacket. Let's go. Kung napanood nyo yung vlog na kaka-upload lang ni Omar TV, tinesting pala ni Jack yung Multistrada ni kuya niya and mukhang nagustuhan. Mukhang naaamoy na natin ang Pikes Peak. Woohoo! Good luck kung anong gusto mo, and kung kaya naman, why not? Today din pala, November 12, last year nung bumiyahe kaming grupo. Ako, si Omar TV, Mr. Sarah Vlog, si RJ, tsaka si George, and si Micah, yung asawa ni George. 3 days yata kami nasa California. Punta kami ng Newport Beach, tapos imikot kami ng Malibu. Basta ayos din siya. Yun yung talagang first time na travel. I think total parang 900 miles yata yung ginawa namin lahat. Alright, nandito na tayo sa 215 uli. Alright, nandito na tayo sa exit natin. Actually, nandito lang kami kagabi. Nag-pickleball kami from 8:30 to 11. Grabe yung pagod nun. Hindi namin alam kung ilang games ang nalaro namin kasi 5 lang kami. And you know, naka-reserve yung court sa amin for 2.5 hours. We are here. Wala silang customer. Sa atin ang parking ng Ducati parking only. Solo siya, boy. Alright, we are here. Mag-hi tayo sa loob. Tignan natin kung nandiyan si Vince. Look at them bikes. May mga bago ba silang bike? Wala naman natang bagong dumating. Street Fighter, Dignifies kami $30,000. Ito, Grand Tour, $30,000. Okay, wala pa siya. So mag-ayos muna tayo. Mag-ungear tayo. So we are here in Ducati Las Vegas. Ida-drop off natin si Multistrada. Papagawa natin yung fork seals kasi nagkaroon siya ng leak. So under warranty naman siya, pero yun nga lang, pareho kami nagkaroon ng issue ni Mr. Sarab Vlogs, pero nauna ginawa yung kanya kasi una naman siya nag-inquire. Inuna na yung kanya dahil nag-iisa lang yung kit nila to replace. Ito yung problema natin, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm pointing it right now. Against the light tayo eh. So naglilik yung oil dyan, kaya ang dumi niya. So I think this side nagkaroon siya ng leak. So dumating yung piyesa last week, pero ngayon lang tayo nagkaroon ng chance ma-drop off yung bike para nila magawa. So hopefully good as new after the install. Kita ko to, bagong trade-in siguro to. Diavel 1260S. Ito yung S version. I don't know if you guys can see that properly. Ito kasi yung trim na naka O-lens. Tapos naka-exhaust siya, Zard. Ang dami niyang carbon parts. Mukhang inaayos din tong bike na to. Linis pa oh. But I'm sure they're asking a lot of money for this. Naka full exhaust siya oh. Full cutback. Ganda siguro tumunog na ito. Mamaya tanong natin si Vince kung pwede niyang i-start. Ganito yung Diavel ni Omark TV or ni Jack. Meron ditong multistrada na luma. I believe this is the V2. Kompleto siya sa bag. Parang liit niya. 17s lang siya. Single swing arm. Baka nga Pikes Peak pa to eh, hindi ba? Multistrada 1200S. So this is the S version, kaya ganyan. Pero hindi lang siya naka all-ins. Kasi ito yung Triumph. Yung pinaka-Diavel lineup ng Triumph. Rocket 3R. How big is this bike, you know? Is this like 1800cc or 2000 something cc to? That's big. And then there's the Triumph Street Triple. Para siyang Bumblebee oh. Unique yung unique yung headlight niya. Parang Bumblebee na motor. Right there. Street Triple. Mga used bikes ng Ducati. Mamaya pasok tayo para mapakita ko naman sa inyo yung mga brand new bikes. Scrambler lineup. Tapos may isang Aprilia RS 650. That's crazy. Thanks, Vince.
Yeah, anytime, buddy. Anytime.
That's better than a cup of coffee in the morning.
It wakes you up, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah, I saw that. I said, wow, that's freaking loud. It sounds great. And
No,
then
I saw the pipe.
And then I see the DB Killer, and I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
It's gonna be even louder.
No, but they changed the whole system all the way to the cat. You can tell,
Yep,
see?
it's a Zard full
So if there's also any updates on the ECU on my bike,
automatically.
Mario's gonna take care of it.
We always hook it up anyway.
Okay.
So if there's an update, it's automatically going to be updated. That's a given. That's part of the reason it's good to bring it to the Ducati dealership, because like my bike, I brought it in and I had a ton of updates. On my bike.
Ito yung pinakita sa inyo ni Omark TV na isang araw. The Bentley Diavel V4. Limited edition 140 of 500. Mag-focus ka. Yan. The cutie.
Yeah, it's got a lot more fucking balls to it. That sounds good. You put it on?
Yeah.
You just did the connecting pipe in the can, right?
Yes, the connecting
and
fan.
You still have everything else up front stock. Right?
Stock, yes. Yo, what up guys? Teka lang, muffled yung boses natin yan. Alright. So it's the next day. Nakuha na natin agad si Multi. Actually tumawag na sila kaninang I don't know, before 10 o'clock ata ng umaga na tatapos na rin yung bike. So malinis na yung fork seal. This is the good one, pero ayos na yan. Yun dito sa side natin, ewan ko makikita nyo sa camera, nilinisan lang nila, yun lang ginawa nila. Hindi. Pinalitan nila yung fork seals. So nahatid na tayo. Parang yung oh shit. Okay. May nag-aantay pala sa atin. So sibat na tayo. Pipicture pa sana tayo eh, pero next time na lang. Makakabalik naman tayo dyan. Medyo malamig. Wala nang araw. So yeah guys, nakuha na yung nakuha na natin si Multi uli. Bukas balik na tayo ng work. So yeah, either I do that today or Friday or Saturday ko pa siya ma-pick up. So ngayon na lang, nasamahan naman tayo ni Arthur. Shit. Damn. Rinig yun? Banggaan. Nobody's paying attention. That sucks. Ay, nakakatakot. Alright, so essentially we took the same route as we took going to Ducati. Nag-long route tayo sa likod ng area namin. So grabe kasi if I continue dun sa freeway kanina, malamang yung junction ng freeway dito sa Summerlin and 95 is gonna be the same way. Siguro nakakaano lang, how can I say it right? Yung mahirap lang i-anticipate kasi madilim na, akala mo late na, pero in reality 6 o'clock pa lang talaga. So ibig sabihin rush hour pa siya. Kaya madaming sasakyan sa roadways. But anyway, nandito na tayo sa side ng ating neighborhood. Kaya malapit-lapit na rin tayo sa bahay. Well, it's a very short going home part. Continuation lang to nung vlog natin kahapon na wala akong ending kasi pinick up nga natin to si Multistrada. Isang araw lang nila ginawa. Siguro hindi sila ganun ka-busy. Tinawagan agad ako kaninang umaga na ready na raw for pickup. So okay na uli si Multistrada. Bago mag 2-year anniversary, at least nagawa. Malinis na at wala nang leak. Sana hindi naman siya bad part or something. Sana updated na. Una tayo nakauwi. Wala pa si Art. Yung naghatid sa atin, naunahan natin. Alright guys, there she is. Nakauwi na naman si Multistrada. Sarap na gamitin. That's clean. And that's clean. Walang marka. Very good, very good. Namatay na yung light. Sana nakikita nyo pa rin ako. So salamat sa pagtambay sa ating video for today. We'll see you guys on the next one. And like always, God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.